So this is an example of using an imported step file. So we imported the file. It came in as an assembly, and then we saved the assembly. So we went File and Save As and saved that assembly file out as a part. And then I opened the part, and so I have now a part file that has two imported surfaces that we want to thicken. And so I'm going to use the thicken command. So under your surfacing tab, if you don't have the surfacing tab, just right click and select surfaces and come over and select thicken, and then select the surface that you want to thicken. So we'll select that. You'll need to set the amount that you want to thicken it. I'm just going to use a small value because I don't want it super thick. So that'll show us how thick it will be. And that process creates a solid body. So you can see that's now a solid body. And we'll thicken the other surface in the same manner. And I'm using a mid-plane thicken. And that allows us to have the two bodies intersecting. So I think that'll give you at least an example of where to go with it. I'm going to save this. And let's open up our step file. So here I have a step file just as an example. So there's our assembly that was generated out of the step file. And if you just have surfaces to deal with, you'd again go back. We'd need to work with our surfacing tools, and we can't do that as it's in an assembly. So we'd say File, and then Save As, and save this out as a part file. And so I'd just say again, save it out as a part file, and we'll say example 02. So we save that out, and then we'd open up our example 02 part file, and what you'll see is now we have surfaces that we can deal with. So our surfacing tools came in. I think that'll handle it. I'll send this information over if you'd review it quick, and then let us know if that will be helpful or if you have other questions. Thanks.